Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove icons from the menu bar on your Mac. Most icons can be removed, except for the Control Center icon, which is fixed. There are two main types of icons you'll encounter: system icons like AirDrop, and third-party app icons. Each one has a different method for removal. Let's start with system icons. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. In the window that opens, click on Control Center from the sidebar. On the right side, you'll see a list of items that appear in your menu bar. For any icon you want to remove, just click the drop-down menu next to it and select Don't Show in Menu Bar. If you prefer to have the icon appear only when it's in use, you can choose Show When Active instead. Another quick method is to hold down the Command key, click on the icon in the menu bar, and drag it away. When a small X appears, release the icon, and it will disappear from the menu bar. This works for many system icons. App icons, however, are a bit different. If you try to drag them out using the Command key, you'll likely see a prohibitory symbol, and the icon will bounce back into place. That's because third-party apps control their own menu bar behavior. To remove an app icon, click on it and check if it has an option like Quit, Close, or Remove from Menu Bar. These options are usually found in the app's settings or preferences. And that's it. You've now learned how to clean up your Mac's menu bar and keep things looking neat. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Mac tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.